All right, Paul Davenport here again, day 3 at Collision Conference. I'm here with Laura from REITIUM. How you doing?
Hey, doing great, doing great. Lost my voice already, but doing good otherwise.
It's day 3. We're all hanging by a thread a little bit, but
Yeah.
we're making it work. It's fantastic. So, first off, how's Collision been so far?
Collision's been really good. We had that tornado that happened in New York, so a lot of the New Yorkers didn't make it the first day. So it was a little quiet the first day, but then day 2, day 3 has been amazing. The parties have been really good. It's always a great time.
Awesome. All right. So tell me a little bit about REITIUM, what you guys do, and also how you've worked with Boast in the past. I know you have quite the story. I was very happy to hear it before we were on camera. I'd love to get some of that on camera too. So
Sure. Sure, yeah. So we are REITIUM. REITIUM is a real estate investment platform. So it's crowdfunding. So we created a way for the average person to invest in real estate for as little as $100. So breaking down those barriers, and people can actually invest literally today at the show if they're interested. So we are securities regulated from Ontario to BC, and we've had a lot of people invest, which they're really excited about. So that's cool.
That is so cool. It's funny, actually. My buddy Assad, who's here on the floor with me today from Boast, does a lot of investing on his side.
Nice.
I know real estate's a hot spot for him, so we'll get him in touch with you guys.
$100 plus. Yeah. So there you go.
So let's talk about Boast now. I know that you've had multiple experiences with SR&ED in the past.
Yeah.
How did we help you?
Okay, I love SR&ED, first of all.
Okay.
Let me say. So when I found out about SR&ED, we started our company in 2018. Found out about SR&ED right away. We were using a different company before you guys. Really had a great experience. And then during the COVID years, 2020, 2021, this company had not found us any money. And I was like, okay, well, we got a lot of government grants, and I know that they kind of cancel each other out. And I'm like, okay, I guess not. And then when I brought it to you guys, I said, okay, you can help us with 2022 and then 2021. And you found us an extra $25K from 2021 that they didn't find. So I was like, okay, these guys are amazing. And I don't know if I should say how much I got for last year, but yeah, so last year it was about $150K.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So that is amazing. I love SR&ED. I mean, free money, right?
It's free money.
It's such a great government incentive, and it helps out with us because we want to keep talent in Canada. We want to keep locals. And this just makes it possible. So honestly, you guys have helped us so much, and I love your process too, because this was not staged, by the way.
Oh yeah, this is organic on the floor.
This is all organic. But I love your process too, because everything's digital, right? I literally go in the portal, I upload everything, and then I heard that you guys have a lending portion as well, so we're going to look at that too.
Yep, exactly. That's our quick fund product. It basically lets you access your SR&ED funding at any time of the year that you need it to fuel your runway.
Yeah.
And best of all, like you said, it's automated, and we're experts at this.
Yeah.
So it's not like we're going to get, oh, hey, this wasn't your actual refund, you got to take this money back.
Totally.
We're assuring that you're going to get the money you need to keep the business going. So that is awesome to hear.
Yeah, and one more thing that I want to say, because I didn't know about this, but one of your colleagues told me, is that now we're going to start doing it quarterly. So we don't have to remember what we did 2 years ago. Because going back in time with all the developers, everything like that, it's as we go through the process, then we just do the quarterly updates. I can't wait to start that. Now that we've done our claim, we're going to start that now.
Oh, that's amazing. And I know it's working with customers like you that we find out what those pain points are, but also the quarterly schedule. That's going to make the most sense. That's the only way to keep it active and make sure that you're getting everything all the time.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Well, Laura, I won't keep you too much longer. This was fantastic. Can't
Thank
you enough.
Really appreciate it.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.